At Finest Playa Mujeres, you can eat at any of the 12 restaurants without worrying about extra charges or reservations, from relaxed beach grills to upscale a la carte dinners. Drinks are included at 16 bars, and that means top-shelf spirits too, not just house brands. You'll have access to 10 pools and a wide, quiet stretch of beach with loungers and service. Activities like sailing, paddleboarding, and snorkeling are built in, so you can stay active without pulling out your wallet. If you're traveling as a couple, you can stick to the adult areas and quiet pools. If you're bringing kids, there's a dedicated water park and kids clubs that keep things easy for families. The only add-ons you need to budget for are spa treatments, which start around $180, and private airport transfers, which run about $200 round trip. Everything else, including room service and minibar refills, is part of the package. I'll cover room pricing in just a moment, but if you want to book now, my special discount links below will save you 45% for a limited time only. Finest Playa Mujeres sits in a quieter pocket of Playa Mujeres, away from the crowds of the hotel zone but still close enough to get around easily. It's right on a wide stretch of beach with calm water, so you can walk straight from the pool deck onto the sand without weaving through boardwalks or busy streets. The drive from Cancun International Airport takes around 45 minutes, and taxis or private transfers are easy to arrange ahead of time. If you want to explore, the ferry to Isla Mujeres is just 15 minutes away by car, and the main shopping and dining areas of Cancun are about half an hour in the other direction. It's also in a good spot for excursions. Ziplining, eco-tours, and sailing tours operate nearby, but if you'd rather keep things simple, you'll have everything you need directly on the property. That combination of easy access and a more peaceful setting is what makes this location stand out. The most affordable room option is the Junior Suite Spa or Pool View, which works well for couples or small groups. At around $172 per person, per night when shared by 2 guests, booked via my discount link below, it offers a spacious layout with either a king bed or 2 doubles, a whirlpool tub, and a private balcony overlooking the gardens or pool areas. For travelers who prefer extra privacy and direct water access, the Junior Swim Up Suite is a popular pick. At about $210 per person, per night based on 2 guests, it gives you a private terrace that leads straight into the pool, ideal if you love quiet mornings or evenings just steps from the water. And for those who want more elevated comfort, the 2-story rooftop terrace suite with plunge pool offers an entirely different experience. At roughly $219 per person, per night when shared by 2 guests, it adds a private rooftop lounge with a plunge pool and daybed area. A standout choice for honeymoons, anniversaries, or anyone who wants their own private retreat. Finest Playa Mujeres is set up to make everything easy to access without feeling crowded. The resort has 10 pools, including quiet adult-only areas, a main activity pool, and splash zones for families. The beach is private, with plenty of loungers, umbrellas, and drink service. No long walks or packed shorelines. The spa includes a hydrotherapy circuit, massage cabanas, and a salon for hair and nail treatments. There's also a modern fitness center with weight machines, cardio equipment, and scheduled classes like yoga and Pilates. Families have dedicated amenities including a kids club, teen lounge, and an on-site water park, while adults can retreat to exclusive pool zones and lounges. A golf course sits just a few minutes away, and the concierge can arrange tea times, excursions, or private transport. Service is fast and attentive throughout the property, whether you're poolside, on the beach, or at the lobby bar. Everything is set up so you don't have to go far to get what you need. Evenings at Finest Playa Mujeres tend to have a relaxed, polished energy rather than a loud party vibe. There's a rotating schedule of live music, dance performances, and themed shows on the outdoor stage, so every night feels different without being over the top. If you prefer something more low-key, the open-air lounges and bars create a natural gathering spot after dinner, with acoustic sets and cocktails under string lights. It's the kind of atmosphere where you can stay up late without needing a nightclub. Daytimes offer plenty to keep you busy, but nothing feels forced. Guests can join fitness challenges, wine tastings, beach volleyball matches, or poolside games, or simply watch from a lounger with a drink in hand. For families, there's a separate schedule of kids' activities, so everyone gets their own version of fun without overlapping. Food quality at Finest Playa Mujeres is a clear strength, with 12 restaurants covering a wide range of cuisines. Each venue has its own atmosphere, so you can switch between elegant dinners, casual bites, and beachside meals without repeating the same experience twice. Seafood fans usually head straight for the beachfront grill, where the menu focuses on fresh fish and shellfish cooked to order. For something more refined, the French restaurant and the steakhouse deliver upscale plating and attentive service that feels well above typical resort dining. Lighter and more laid-back options are easy to find too, including an Italian trattoria, a Pan-Asian spot, and a lively tapas bar. Breakfast is worth mentioning on its own, with made-to-order eggs, pastries, and tropical fruit displays served in open-air seating areas. For those who prefer to stay in, room service offers a full menu 24/7, making it just as easy to have a quiet night in as it is to dress up and head out. The variety and execution here consistently rank among the best in this region. The beach here is wide and calm, but as with many stretches of coastline in this region, seaweed can occasionally wash in. The cleanup team is fast, though early mornings may look different from the afternoons. Because the resort blends adults-only areas with family zones, some sections can feel lively at peak times. If you're looking for peace and quiet, reserving a suite closer to the adult pools can make a big difference in how the stay feels. Or, consider booking Finest Playa Mujeres, which is adults only. I'll link my review below. The more in-demand rooms, like swim-ups and rooftop terraces, are often claimed well in advance, so early booking is smart if you have your eye on a specific setup. Within Playa Mujeres, Finest Playa Mujeres stands out for delivering a full-scale resort experience without constant upselling. Many nearby properties match it on setting or design, but fewer offer this level of consistency across food, service, and daily activities at the base rate. The resort operates more like a polished mid to upper luxury property than a typical family all-inclusive, which makes its pricing competitive for what's offered. It balances adult-only spaces and family areas effectively, something that often costs extra elsewhere or requires a more segmented stay. Finest Playa Mujeres is ideal for travelers who want variety without having to compromise. Couples can enjoy quiet, adult-focused areas that feel like a separate resort. Perfect if you want a relaxed, upscale getaway with easy access to the beach and elegant dining. Families will find it just as practical, with a water park, kids and teens clubs, and flexible room layouts that make it easy to travel with children or larger groups. Multi-generational travelers, in particular, benefit from the way the property caters to different travel styles in one place. It's also well-suited for milestone trips, like honeymoons, birthdays, or group celebrations, because you can keep everyone together without losing that sense of space and comfort. Save 45% when you book via my limited time discount link below.